And even if the police ever did know you, and them approach you, they may know say your name Dalton Harris. But over here, nobody don't know you. You're just a piece of shit.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome again, Unstoppable family. So people, Dalton Harris is the topic again. What's happening? Well, recently Dalton Harris made a post to his social media that he was stopped and harassed by police officers in the country that he is in. After Dalton Harris made that post, he claims that Jamaican vloggers run with the story, twist it, turn it, and put out what them want to put out, and also started to talk about his sexuality once again. Now people, after Dalton Harris saw those posts, Dalton made this post right here. I have noticed again, Jamaican bloggers are posting fake stories about me being arrested for something that never happened. I am not even disappointed anymore. I was racially profiled and stopped by police for wearing a hoodie and being black. I know my rights and exercised them, so me getting arrested or committing a crime is far from the truth. And what happened was posted on my social media, but obviously the truth isn't important. We live in a world where gossip goes before integrity. Making statements about my sexuality and addressing racism with homophobia is disgusting. And are people still worried about who I sleep with so badly? I filed a complaint and was an apology by the police and was advised on how to progress my complaint. These officers do not represent the entire police force. Just like homophobic Jamaicans don't represent all Jamaicans. And just like a black man wearing a hoodie does not represent a criminal. And being a criminal also is not a black thing. Now people, I don't understand the part where Dalton said Jamaican bloggers, because after I see that post, then I go Google it, because I say, wait them man, this topic here never really too hot, because I don't see it all over the place. And when I Google it and look it up on YouTube, it's actually only one blogger I really see put it out. I don't know, maybe you look for it and tell me if you see any other blogger cover that story about Dalton being arrested or anything like that. But there's only one channel Missy put it out. I may be wrong, but if I'm wrong, I'm talk to me down in the comment section. Anyway, with all those things Dalton talk up in that post where he make right there, so it not really sit too well with all Jamaicans. Because even in the post, when I go in the comment section, I read some of the comments and not everybody liking the things where Dalton attack. And this brother here right here, so in that video here, is one of the persons when I like the post where Dalton make. Listen up.
Dalton Harris, every day I feel, right? You see a girl and I try to talk all type of shit. You need to make the people know what England is like, yeah? Because if you was in Jamaica and you walk in a car park, you get your respect. Because everybody know you. And even if the police ever did know you, and them approach you, they may know say your name Dalton Harris. But over here, nobody don't know you. You're just a piece of shit. You're just an extraordinary person. So when you're going to talk about, you're not going to talk about British police that target black people and that type of shit. There's fuck where you talk. Yeah? Me live over here before you born. You just go over here with this fracture over there and nobody don't know you. When me look up on you, when me Google you up and look up for you, me see you do dub plate, me see you dance at the dub plate, me see you get the bat skank, me see you flash it on like road boy, me see you around dance hall, me see you around turntable, me see you in a party carry on, a gangster role. And you come to England, so you was just a wolf in a sheep clothing. Now you come to England and you make your way through when you come here and you apply for X Factor and you win it. Yeah? You win it by pulling off a scam because you throw your mother underneath the bus for winning X Factor. You talk about your abused child. You go and you take your photo with people to show the world, to show England say Jamaica overflow, because if you never did win X Factor in a Dalton, you'd cry asylum. Because you just want to put it out there if you say, well then boy, Jamaica people overflow because you take the photo, they want to kill you. say they cry asylum, but because you win X Factor now, they never need to do that again because you win. So you have your card and you know exactly what to do in the data. You know how to play your game, you know, because you're a game player. Now you come and you play your game, you show Jamaica underneath the bus, and you show your mother underneath the bus, and you do what you do, and you win a factor, and you people in Jamaica cheer for you and a big up, and you go out there and nobody not see you. You go out there, you diss your mother, you go out there, go do your document and drive or car pass all your mother. That's what she said. She even say I talk to people and she said that. And hear me here. I see me, she go through your interview and she talk her story. Just like how you, so let's say like how you come out and talk your story. Say, you go through car park and police stop you or whatever. I saw your mother come out and talk the story same way. So what she say, so what you say, because you said this, you know, so she said that too, you know. Now you throw Jamaica underneath the bus and you throw your mother underneath the bus for winning the factor and forget where you want to go. And you win the factor and you try every way to get to stay in this country, which is good for people can stay because it's a very good country people can stay. And you know that too. That's the whole reason why you're there. But if you're there and if you stay here, why you try to put down British police, like say British police are walk around and I look for black people, like say them American. I don't go American police do them type of thing because England is a place of discipline and have rules and regulation, you know. Yeah? If a British police stop you on road and then realize you're alright and behave yourself and you don't try to show off and say because you're black, and them search and do it if you don't check you out and ring to, and then don't tell you thank you very much and have a good day. Don't Jamaica police not tell you thank you very much, you know. If you was walking in a car park in Jamaica and Jamaica police stop you and then realize you say, oh you what go on Dalton, oh you me never know say you know boss you, and them start to carry because it's just a Jamaican culture. They must start to boss you up and big man and this and that, and because of them culture probably want a drink off of you too. But you know to yourself, so over here say you not find us. If you find a British police come stop you and check you out because they might you walk to a car park and you have a hood. After they can't know who you are. You have anything written up on you. Next time you walk, that flag up in the air so people can know who you are. So they don't need to stop you. Because me know say, if Prince Charles' son, Harry, did a walk and police stop him, he wouldn't carry on like that, you know. It's just a normal conversation in Ghana, but I don't even know say him. So I know who you just come to the people in the country and police stop you. Me leave your whole long and police stop me all the while. And me stop and me, if you want them search and tell me reason for stop you and reason for stop you and the reason for stop you, then blah blah blah. Then do what them I do, them I check my vehicle, them I check me and do so, then give me a stop and search form, me sign it and me gone and tell you thank you very much, have a good day. And it depends on record. Because the police stop me and me behave violence, it depends on record. So anytime they stop me to come on the system. So you behave yourself because you're not born and grow over here, you're not British. No Jamaican man in England is no bad man because they may get deported. They won't go carry on like say my bad man. But no Jamaican don't want to face that plane. So they behave themselves. I go the British boy that were born in England we can't get deported. Them are the bad person because you can't deport them. But once you're Jamaican, you come over here and you carry on the type of way you make police arrest and you become a trouble to police. You're gone back down on the plane and you know that. So if you over here and you walk to a car park and police stop you, what is the problem? What is your problem? What is your problem? Police stop me all the time, I never have a problem with them. So when you come and put out and a carry on, you just look attention. If you look, you stay, whatever you look you. But when you put out all them type of things, the British police, them well intelligent and them well trained, them have manners, them have approach. And they nah this year and them nah shoot and they nah beat up and they nah put their hand on you. Know that Jamaica police beat you up, box you up, kick you up and nothing come out of it. You know that. So when you're in a country like this where you can walk about your business, Dalton Harris, you can leave your door open and go about your business. You can walk in and car park about your business. Make you not go walk down a town. And go in a car park down a town and go about your business, you're alone. Make you not go park your car park across road and walk go half a tree. You can't do it. But you can do it in England. See if you walk through one car park and police have because you have a hood, after they can't know you is. So I just think whatever you're doing is look attention. You look attention, Dalton, you must stop it. Because you throw Jamaica underneath the bus for winning X Factor. Because we know say X Factor are people who are unprofessional, who are trying to sing and who have talent. No, you are a singer for a long time and you have talent. I mean, you know who you enter in X Factor, but good. You reach and you win it. But you just behave your little Jamaican self, behave your little faggot self, and stop through England underneath the bus. You're just so confused. You say you're molested. You talk all type of thing. You say you abuse. You say you talk all type of thing about your parents and about things that you go through and what you go through. And when me look upon you, daughter, me look upon you in your white shirt I go to school, you know. Me look upon you and me see upon your photo you have on a pretty nice watch. Nice watch, white shirt, I go to KC and you go to Headman Hall in a Clarendon and me look upon you how you dress upon you look sweet and how you look nice. Now people who abuse Jamaica children who go through things, children over here, if you're there, look upon these children over here what they look like to you. To compare to you where you used to go to school. You get good treatment, you get good life, you have good life. Me see you at church. Me see you when you win a juice beef party and digital and how you carry on and you say, look how me young and me ready. See? So you're coming from far. And you still never satisfied, but you're not into Jamaica. You're just an undercover. You're just an undercover fish. And now you come to England and you live in England and you still a true England underneath the bus. What you want? You're so confused. Now you try to stay in England because you look visa. Yeah, look British passport, yeah, look stay, yeah, look everything, but yes, still, yeah, put England underneath the bus. You must stop it. You're such a confused little boy. You need to know yourself. You need to know what it's all about and stop going around and put down places. Because you're putting down Jamaica, you're putting down your mother, you're putting down this, you're putting down that. You talk what is there, you say you're a man, you say you're a woman, you're just a confused little boy. Just go shut up your little mouth and go one side, man. Because nobody over here don't really know you. People only just know you because you might go up on X Factor. You know what people have in X Factor? Nobody know you, nobody say, nobody know. Because England is not a music place. Jamaica, America, and Trinidad is a music place. If you want to be recognized, go to America. Go sing a song. People might have buy your songs, but nobody know you. Nobody not honor you. Nobody not hug you up on road. Nobody not take a photo with you. Nobody know you. You not be knowing. Someone know what you want. You just look at attention. You need to know yourself, little boy. Know you look at Jamaican, Jerry curl, punk self. You hear that? Know yourself before you come out and put out them type of thing. But Jamaican and British police are walk and target black people and what them do to you. The British police know you nobody not chubby. You're just an ordinary person. All of we will live over here are ordinary person. All of we will live here. And we have to go back to Jamaica to get respect. Because we not get that over here. Nobody over here not respect you. Nobody over here not know you. Me as well. If the Prime Minister comes around and get a chauffeur for drive me around go about in business, nobody know him. The Prime Minister can come here and walk about in business. Nobody not see. Nobody can do him nothing. Nobody not trouble him. Them a place where you can walk about the business. You know that. So if you can leave and come and you have an opportunity if you can walk about the business without people to trouble you, what is your problem? What's your little confused problem? Just ease off, man, and go know yourself. You hear that?
Well, alright, people, you know it go already. We come to the end of the video and it's time for Uno address what was said in this video right here. Want to think about what Dalton said in a theme post? Or you can talk to me about that down in the comment section. And also, want to think about what a brother here say to Dalton as I hear the man say, this message is for you, Dalton. Alright? So, you talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what you have to say pertaining to everything that was spoken about in this video. Alright? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, we unstoppable.